That's FedEx. Check the. I know we're getting close to the property line. I think the property line's right up there. But better safe than sorry. Yeah, we got about 300 feet to go. And we're going to be on their line, so we're getting close. But nothing to worry about yet. You still recording? Yeah, you are? Good. So it was a battery that wouldn't do anything yesterday. Good. That's good. Happy with all accidents. I don't have to worry about the line anymore. Here they are. Where's your brother? Ruckus. Where's your brother? There he is. If you're curious, he is named after the song from the Wu-Tang Clan, Bring the Ruckus. I got fur in my mouth. We're not going to break any records today. We're sniffing, so that's alright. We could always do time. That's always a good one, too. Spend as much time as... Actually, we're on his clock, because he's the one that gets cold. We bought that jacket for Franklin, who was their oldest brother, heading down a couple of years ago. He was this big old lab, American Staffordshire lab mix. A beautiful dog. Good Lord, love that guy. He was awesome. But he was a really short hair. So we got him a coat, collar coat. He wore it all the time. So when he passed, it got handed down to Ruckus. Either that one or the pink and orange fluffy jacket that we bought him at some kind of youth rummage sale or something. Whoa! Oh! Woo! That was close. Grabbed my knee. Oh, that could have been bad. That could have been bad. So, come on up. Wow, that was crazy. Huh. See, it's that fucking fern right there. That caught my tip. Thankfully, I broke through it just in time before I had an actual fall, and I was still able to bend my knee. Thank you. Every fall I have that I'm able to get up with my left knee, I'm very thankful. I should probably stop walking on tree stumps and I won't have a problem. We're getting up to the point where property line's right up there. Boys! Yeah, because the hill starts right there.